आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी मेरे YouTube चैनल के ओ सपोर्ट और सब्सक्राइब करें और नए नए ट्रिक्स जानने के लिए कमेंट्स करें। आप सभी का संजू ट्रिक्स में स्वागत है। आप सभी
Hello friends. Now I'm introduced to some formula for addition. There are many ways to add any numbers. First, if there are rand between 50 to 80. Okay. Now, if I want to sum all these product, all these values, then equal to sum and select all range and enter and sum calculated. First way. Now second way. If select first one plus second one plus third one plus fourth one plus fifth one plus last one and equal to same result. Second way. Third way, sum first, comma, second, comma, fourth, comma, fifth, comma, sixth, comma, 7. Third way, sum range selected, comma, other range selected, plus selected, plus select. All are equal. Fourth way, all are same thing. All are same thing. But condition, formula and way are different. Different. All are different. Okay. Now sum f6 to f11, f6 plus f7, f all are same, but method are different. And now start the test method for all simultaneous series connected. Then press Alt plus equal to automatically sum. Okay, automatically sum. Alt plus equal to automatically sum. Same. Okay, and last and final sum calculation equal to sub total sub total subtotal subtotals sum 9, comma, range select. There are 5 methods. 5 fifth ways. And there are 5 methods, 4 methods to calculate different ways, and one method for automatically calculate alt plus equal, and one method to calculate with the subtotal help of subtotal. Subtotal are mm, used for other other types that I will describe later. Okay, a brief description of subtotal I will describe later. And one other method are used for sum with the help of mouse, not keyboard. Only mouse without calculate. Formula tab, then goes to sum or yeah, auto sum equal to sum, and click enter, or sum, और डायलॉग बॉक्स आर्गुमेंट बॉक्स ओपन हो जाएगा. आर्गुमेंट फंक्शन आर्गुमेंट्स आर ओपनड एंड सेलेक्ट रेंज और one range, one cell range, or many cell range. Select at a time, many or one also, and there are also select enter. Okay, there are many types of calculation, but all calculation are same. I suppose you all are know this way. If any problem, discuss, comment, please comment any if any problem. Thank you.